filming.
Oh.
Good job, man. Come on, Tiger. Right behind your buddy.
Okay. Oh, there's a whole entire lot. Okay, whoa.
Tiger. Next.
Why?
Oh, you're wait your turn. It's not your turn.
I know.
You live?
Yeah, I see Liv. I have to... I got the camera on!
What we're doing. Good. We'll go the other way.
When am I gonna be
Max, look at me.
good?
Let me see it. Max.
Should I go?
Oh, no, wait. Max. Max. Okay, good. Make sure it's doing something good. Okay, stop, buddy. Stop. You're behind him.
What?
Behind this guy right here. You're behind him. Wait till he's gone, though.
Okay.
Let me just adjust this for a second. Now remember, we want your skis going straight uphill before you grab the rope.
Whoa.
Straight uphill before you grab... No, not yet. Your skis aren't going straight up. Okay. Now skis straight, please. Skis straight. Nice and straight. Okay, ready? Now get both hands. Slowly grab. Look up. Good. Slowly grab on. Slowly tighten your hands. Good. Stand up. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Oh, no. What are you doing?
I wanna let go.
Buddy, you can't even go down from here. This is smaller than the magic carpet.
What? It's cold.
You can't even go.
Oh, yes, I can. Wait and learn.
All right. Good job. Good turn there, didn't you? Good turn.
Daddy, get me up there.
All right, ready? Point your heel, ski straight up the hill, and I'll push you. Don't move your feet. Don't move your feet.
Okay.
Boy, that was a good
Hurry,
turn.
hurry.
You made a good turn at the bottom.
Olivia! I don't know.
You will, honey. Let him do a run, and then you can run.
I want to pick Karen to see how I go.
Go behind Olivia so you can get
It's
Olivia on the
Karen.
camera.
Okay. Can you push me? Push me.
I will. Let Olivia go first.
Daddy, then go on this side. No. Okay, push. Push, Daddy, push. Push. Push, Daddy, push. Fast. Hey, Daddy, that's not even good. Hey. Fast. I'm gonna beat you, Olivia. Don't land on me. Daddy, can Olivia wear it?
Yep. You want to wear it, Liv?
Yeah, I want to see how I done.
You all done with it? Okay, hold on. Let me move it. Don't touch it.
Oh, Daddy.
Hold on, freaky monkey. Look at me. Look up. Look up.